From the book of Ephesians chapter 4, which has been the focus of our study this time. Last week, I mụtara ọkpụrụkpụ ha anyị kwesịrị ime. Qualities that we need to possess, right? Gentleness, lowliness, meekness, all those virtues, very important and interesting virtues. I took time to read the whole of chapter 4 in order to grasp what Paul was saying, why he started addressing the city of Ephesus. Either 16 last week, and then we're going to continue from there downwards in our lesson today. So can somebody read from 16? That they are connected. Can somebody read from 16? Ephesians, 4 from verse 16.
From him, the whole body, joined and held together by every supporting ligament, grows and builds itself up in love. As such, God does its work. So I tell you this, and insist on it in the Lord, that you must no longer live as the Gentiles do, in the brutality of their thinking. They are darkened in their understanding and separated from this life of God because of ignorance that is in them due to the hardening of their hearts. Having lost all sensitivity, they have given themselves over to sexuality so as to indulge in every kind of impurity, and they are full of greed. That, however, is not the way of life you learn. When you heard about Christ and were taught in Him, in accordance with the truth that is in Jesus, you were taught that with regard to you, to your